Hey everyone, Glenn here at Syngenta. It is Friday the 20th of October and I've just been looking out the window at how miserable it's been recently and thinking about all you turf managers out there. So here we are on Turf Advisor, the new turf support app from Syngenta, and just looking at how wet it's been the last few days. Wednesday 13.5, Thursday 5, today 6.5. I drove down from Manchester yesterday up and back in 2 days and it was miserable. It seemed to be raining all the way up the motorway. Now, rainfall is notoriously difficult to predict and forecast, but we can look in here at what's going on. Always historically it's going to be more accurate. You can see in Turf Advisor the rainfall that's come, and you can also see what's coming down the line next week. So next week looks really wet. Last week is wet, and this is where this becomes useful. If you look at the bottom here, you've got a 2-week average. So over the last, or for a week forward from now and a week back, we are averaging at 2.7 millimetres of rainfall per day. Historically, we're averaging at 0.7. So I'm no mathematician, but that's at least 4 times as much as normal for a difficult time of year. Now, if we look forward, we can see air temperature is staying crazy mild, still average temperatures up around the 12, 13 for the next couple of weeks, next week. Humidity still crazy high, 80% for the next week or so. So you've got to start looking for those spray windows, which are going to be limited because we have rainfall coming in. So assuming we're getting through the weekend, we know back end of next week is going to be tricky looking at the forecast. So you may want to grab spray windows to get your preventative fungicides down, or your slow it down strategies, your wetting agents, your penetrants, anything like that. Really tricky time of year, but please leave us a screenshot, show us where you are. My average for here, and we're not a wet area of the country at all, we have a 2-week average of 2.7. I bet there's some of you up north that have got a 2-week average much higher than that. Drop a screenshot in and have a great weekend.